I'm here with the CRICUT Explore 3 digital cutting and printing machine. This is a crafter stream. With it, you can customize all sorts of items from cups to clothing to wall art. It's also used by card makers and scrapbookers to help them achieve neat results in their crafts. It does all this with a precision cutting blade that will cut any design into vinyl, card, paper, or even bonded fabric. So you can cut a fun sticker to spruce up your water bottle, create an iron-on transfer to add some personality to a plain t-shirt, or a customized cut-out gift tag to embellish a present for a friend. You can even switch out the blade for an embossing tool or pen that you can get separately for the machine. The possibilities really are endless. Link it to your laptop or phone and open up the CRICUT design space where there are loads of free designs to choose from, or you can even create and import your own. It is really easy to use and it will walk you through the steps to cut, score or draw your designs onto the mat, making sure you select the right settings for your project. And the machine even comes with holders for all your accessories if you want to expand your range later on.